My name's Emma Russ. I'm an IT technician for a company called Arran Isle Holdings Limited. We look after companies that are in the fenestrating industry, which is manufacturing window and door parts. So they sell them on. So they don't sell windows and doors, they sell the parts. Phocas for us is for them is a big selling tool. My responsibility is to make sure that all the services run smoothly. So one of the main jobs I do is do a daily checklist in the morning. We do a focus build overnight for both companies. So I have to check into both companies to make sure that's happened successfully. I was working in sales when Focus was first implemented in the company, and the reason was it was trying to find opportunities, getting all of the data together in one database so we could look at what items were selling and what items weren't selling. Biggest challenge I can see for me personally in the next 5 years is we're going to be using Focus a lot more. So it's going to be educating people on how to use Focus to the best of their possibility. I don't sell a product. They tell me what they want and I need to be able to give them what they need to make their business work. Business data is vital in our day-to-day operations. People don't use paper anymore. They don't use pen. There's no addresses written down. It is all data on systems. If our main system went down, we've still got Focus where we can get a backup really of the customer's history and things like that as well. Support is fantastic. It's one of the best support teams that we work with as an IT department. We can put a query in before the start of business and it's resolved straight away. So with the easy to use and the good support, it's a no-brainer. Using Focus makes me feel like I'm being proactive and looking for issues before somebody makes me aware of them.